Craving that Monaco Penthouse glow where opulent Mediterranean elegance feels like your everyday escape? What if restored Riviera luxury could transform any space into sunlit sophistication? Stick around. You're about to tour 14 dreamy rooms that make it real. Sunlight pours through those tall French windows, making the cream travertine floors shimmer like they've been kissed by the Mediterranean itself. That antique console, with its golden orchids and massive gilded mirror, pure welcoming luxury, reflecting opulent Monaco vibes right back at you. Ivory walls hug the space softly, crown moldings adding elegant height. Feels like stepping into effortless coastal glamour that says "Mi casa es su casa" with serious style. Imagine curling up in this living room where ivory velvet sofas practically beg for lazy afternoons, sunlight dancing across the Persian rug's soft blues. Floor-to-ceiling windows frame dreamy sea views, while the brass chandelier catches every golden ray. Those gold-accented tables and fresh blooms make it feel like your own private Riviera escape. Cozy opulence that wraps you in Mediterranean warmth without trying too hard. Sunlight floods this family room, turning cream linen sofas into the plushest spots for movie marathons or chats, with that media console hiding all the tech magic. Olive trees in corners add fresh coastal charm, while the area rug ties everything in plush comfort. Ivory cabinetry gleams subtly. It's refined family time that feels luxurious yet totally lived in, like Monaco Elegance met your favorite hangout. Picture sunlight sparkling over this dining table set for 12, champagne velvet chairs inviting long, laughter-filled meals under the crystal chandelier's glow. Walnut legs and gold-rimmed porcelain scream sophisticated feasts, with white roses stealing the show. Ivory walls and sheer curtains soften the scene beautifully, pure Mediterranean dining magic that makes every gathering feel celebratory and chic. Natural light bathes the kitchen island's dramatic Calacatta marble, making those gold veins pop against ivory cabinets with brass pulls that feel so luxe to touch. Stainless appliances shine subtly, herbs adding that fresh coastal scent. It's a cook's dream where functionality meets Monaco opulence. Whip up brunch here and feel like a Riviera chef in your sunlit haven. This butler's pantry glows under soft sunlight. Calacatta counters perfect for prepping, while glass cabinets showcase sparkling china like hidden treasures. Brass sink and organized shelves make everything flow effortlessly, ivory tones keeping it seamlessly elegant. It's that behind-the-scenes Monaco magic, practical yet posh, turning meal prep into a joyful, sun-warmed ritual you actually love. Morning rays hug this breakfast nook's curved banquette, cream linen cushions begging for coffee and croissants by the window-framed sea. Marble table gleams simply, lavender pots adding sweet scent. Sheer curtains dance lightly. Feels like your cozy Mediterranean mornings just got upgraded to pure bliss, warm and intimate without a hint of fuss. Sunlight streams into this office, warming the mahogany desk's leather top where ideas flow endlessly amid ivory bookshelves packed with inspiration. Brass fittings and crystal lamp add refined sparkle, sea views fueling creativity. It's your productive Monaco retreat, elegant yet comfy, like the space knows exactly how to make workdays feel inspired and golden. Wake up to sunlight caressing the champagne velvet bed in this master suite, silk linens whispering luxury against ivory walls. Nightstands with brass lamps frame serene sea vistas through French windows, seating nook perfect for morning reads. Fresh roses nod hello. Opulent tranquility that feels like a personal Riviera sanctuary, cradling you in endless coastal comfort. Step into closet paradise where sunlight highlights velvet-lined drawers and glass cabinets brimming with treasures on cream travertine. That central marble island and gilded mirrors make getting ready pure joy, brass fixtures gleaming softly. It's organized Monaco magic. Every accessory finds its spot in this sunlit haven of elegant indulgence you never want to leave. Sunlight softens this kid's room. Cream headboard bed cozy with playful blues that nod to sea vibes amid the elegant shell. Ivory shelves hold books and treasures, desk ready for homework dreams. Brass details keep it sophisticated yet fun. Youthful Monaco charm where little ones feel grown-up luxury in their sunny, whimsical retreat. This guest room bathes in welcoming sunlight, cream linen bed promising restful nights with champagne bedding that feels like a hug. Ivory nightstands and velvet chair create neutral bliss, sea views peeking through sheers. Flowers add thoughtful touch, hospitality at its Monaco finest, making visitors feel pampered in timeless, sun-kissed comfort. Sunlight peeks into the theater, cream leather recliners ready for cinematic escapes against acoustic ivory panels. Projection screen awaits, cabinetry hiding tech seamlessly under crown moldings. It's cozy Monaco movie magic, where plush seating and subtle luxury turn film nights into immersive, daylight-warmed adventures you crave all week. Sunlit terrace flows from cream travertine indoors out to ivory stucco walls, outdoor sofas in champagne cushions begging for sunset chats. Olive trees frames see panoramas, brass railings adding glam. It's alfresco Monaco living, seamless indoor-outdoor elegance where natural light makes every gathering feel like endless Riviera paradise. This Monaco penthouse proves opulence meets effortless Mediterranean warmth in every sunlit corner. Take that cream travertine flow and ivory elegance home. Your space deserves this timeless, soul-nourishing luxury too. Dream big, design beautifully.